With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, first of all let us look at the question. Which of the following transition metal ions has the lowest density? And we have been given here copper, nickel, scandium and zinc. And out of all these four elements, we need to find out that which one will have the lowest density. Now density is decided by two factors. So the formula of density is mass upon volume. And now mass here is something that depends on atomic number of any element. So higher the atomic number, more number of protons and neutrons it will have, and heavier will be the element. So copper here is having 29 atomic number, nickel 28, scandium 21 and zinc 30. So zinc here is the heaviest. Just by looking at the atomic number we can say, and scandium is the lightest, right? So lighter will be the element, lower will be its density, something like that we can say. But we will also have to decide for volume. So volume depends on, this depends on interatomic forces in the crystal lattice. Okay, interatomic, we have forces. Now more stronger is the metal-metal bond in a crystal lattice, higher will be the interatomic forces and lesser will be the volume, right? And this metal-metal bond depends on the number of unpaired electrons, right, that a metal ion has or a metal has. Now this unpaired electrons or total number of unpaired electrons can be found out just by writing down the electronic configuration, right? So we have copper, we have nickel, then we have scandium and then we have zinc, right? Now copper having the atomic number of 29 has the electronic configuration of 3d10 4s1. Nickel has 3d8 and 4s2, right? So this is 29, 28, then scandium at 21 and zinc at 30. Right, and scandium will have 3d1 and 4s2, and zinc on the other hand will have 3d10 and 4s2. Now here we can see that copper and zinc, right? So zinc first of all do not have any unpaired electron, all the electrons are paired here, right? And copper here has a total of 1 electron, that is unpaired, right? Then nickel here has a total of 2 electrons, 3d8 means 2 electrons unpaired, and scandium here again has 1 electron and this has 0, right? So if we have to write down, then I can say that nickel will have here the highest or the strongest metal-metal bond that we can say. Then we can write down scandium, and then we will have copper, and at last we will have zinc, right? So zinc will have the least stronger, or we can say weaker metal-metal bond that we can say here. So having said that, now I can say that it will have the lowest volume, right? But the mass of zinc is more, so it will compensate the volume, right, the effect of volume. But scandium here, right, has a weak interatomic force, and also it has a least mass out of all these four elements, right? So scandium will have the lowest density. Okay, so just because it has the lowest mass or the least mass out of all the four elements, and also it has weak interatomic forces because the metal-metal bond is weak here, because it has a number of unpaired electrons, also it has less. So scandium will have the lowest density out of all the four, right? And all these options are incorrect. So this is how we can try and solve this question. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.